Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Rise and Dine. Yelp has ranked this place in the top 25 in the whole country. Let's go try it.
Good morning, everybody.
And welcome back to Rise and Dine today here at Craft Kitchen. Back down in Henderson.
Yes, it's like the restaurant row here on Eastern.
Yeah, up on Eastern. There's a lot that we've done here. And
yes.
This
has been on our list for a while.
It was suggested to us, so we've been trying to head down here. But before we get too far into it,
okay.
This is Rise and Dine, and I am Stacy.
And I'm Bob.
So thanks for tuning in, and thanks for coming back. And as always, please remember.
Yes, subscribe, like, share, hit that button, and give us some really good recommendations, because we appreciate that.
Because here we are. We're at one now. So, Craft Kitchen is a back to your standard breakfast and brunch lunch place.
With cocktails.
Great menu, and it has a full bar.
Yes.
So, when it's almost... what am I looking for? St. Patrick's Day. It's almost St. Patrick's Day, and they have a special
the 17th,
drink. So I'm going to give it a go.
So we're going to have that special drink. Is that what we're going to do?
I'm going to have one.
Okay.
You can get what you like, but I feel like I should have the special holiday something.
We have to honor the Irish, isn't it? Come on.
The menu looks great. It's got a huge coffee bar and a bakery. There's ube bread pudding. That sounds insane to me.
Wow.
They have a cinnamon roll that looks crazy. All kinds of coffee drinks, like I said.
Amazing Benedicts I see here.
Yeah, there's a lot. And, they've got a lot of vegan stuff, too. There's like a vegan chilaquiles.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
All right.
So it's basically, what would that be? Chips and beans?
Oh, you're so funny.
I'm sorry for my vegan friends, but, you know.
All right, so we'll take a look and figure it out. So we've placed our order, and while we're waiting,
I'm excited. I got to tell
you. Yeah, it looks really good.
Yes.
First off, it's very pretty in here. It's lovely atmosphere.
It really is.
And you could do a special event here pretty easily also. So it's been open 10 years, and I think I'm going to be glad to have gotten some pastry because husband and wife team, and he has been executive pastry chef at Red Rock and Le Cirque and incredible places, and we had no idea. The hotel in Maui,
what was that?
The Ritz-Carlton in Maui and San Francisco and here.
So he is
Chef Jarrett,
highly trained, and
got to have some pastry,
yes,
for sure. So looking forward to that.
We'll be doing cocktails, sweet and savory foods, coffees.
Yeah. Again, we're ordering, but you got to try stuff. So how do you know?
We're back in the saddle, people.
I have to admit, I forgot to say first, though, we didn't say they are ranked in the top 25 in the whole country for best brunch place by Yelp. So
right here, off the strip, and Henderson.
I feel like we're a little late to this party because there's a lot of write-up about this place, about how good it is. So I feel like we're a little behind, but
where have we been?
Better late than never.
Okay.
You go.
All right. That is a mighty good coffee. I think it's an Americano, actually.
I think it is.
I think it's an Americano. But it's not watery. It has some taste. You know, I'm a little finicky with the coffee, and when they serve Americanos, it's like watered down espresso. This actually works for me. What about you?
It's a little darker bitter roast than I might like my own self, but it is an organic coffee. I'm looking on the menu here.
Okay.
Sit down, refillable organic coffee. So I don't think it's an Americano. It is a coffee.
Yeah.
But
it's pretty fancy.
I prefer it to,
It's pretty special.
Yeah. It's not average.
No, it's not an average coffee by any stretch. So I'm good with that.
So, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, which when this drops should be tomorrow or the next day, but
Yes.
they have a specialty cocktail called Me Your Shamrock. So obviously green, and it's got a
And it's
little
got the beautiful rainbow on top.
which is like a sour gummy. That's good. And yours,
This is the Gold Digger. It actually has.
hold it up. There you go.
I
Look
can
how
show
green
you.
that is.
It's very green. It has Jameson, Doers, Orgeat, and I think that's it. And Flex Gold. You
And
may have to carry me out.
yeah, we're probably
It's
not going
early in the morning,
to finish this.
but here we go.
But it's so pretty. We had to try one. Oh, that's fun.
Ooh.
This has Midori in it, so that's the kind of little sweetener. And honestly, I forget what the main alcohol is in it. But it's very
Is it
tasty.
tasty is the question.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm not going to finish this, but it's delicious.
This is. We may have to hang out on Eastern for a little bit.
Yeah, that's large and strong. It
Yeah.
looks like
And the Flecks of Gold,
they are edible.
are they edible?
Yes.
Wow. I just have to say, here I am drinking this gold-flaked green concoction with Jameson and Dewar's White Label.
It's very strong.
It's 9:30 in the morning, and I gotta tell you, I'm feeling this thing.
It's a good thing I'm driving.
Wow.
I tasted it. It's
don't
not
wanna
for
make
me.
a spectacle of myself here at Craft Kitchen, but my goodness, this is tasty. Two of my favorite drinks, by the way. Jameson, I love. I love anything, all Irish whiskey. And White Label, oh my God, Dewar's White Label. That was the drink of choice in New York growing up. You
I'm
go to a
feeling
bar-
like I need to kind of wrap you up on this.
Okay. All right. Wait for the
We
food.
need to eat.
So I got the short rib hash, and this looks absolutely amazing. Look at that piece of short rib. That's gorgeous. Let me try it. The sauce. It's braised in the sauce, whatever it is. I have no idea. It's absolutely amazing. Let's try some eggs with that sauce. Wow. Wow. So you got braised short rib, potato, and this very rich, delicious sauce. Oh, oh my God. Truly, this is like if I ordered this as a dinner somewhere in any restaurant, I would be super happy. This is absolutely amazing. So good. The richness of the sauce. Let's try again. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I love it.
All right, it is revealed. I got the veggie goat cheese frittata. I like it. The unusual thing is this frittata underneath here is kind of like a large pancake. You know, it's I'm used to frittatas.
An egg cake.
An egg cake. I'm used to frittatas looking almost like a quiche a little bit. But very, very tasty. The goat cheese in here has a nice tang. We kind of had a heavy dinner last night, so I wanted to try something not quite so meaty this morning. And this hits the mark. Yummy. So,
Look at this.
since the restaurant is owned by a pastry chef, you got to get pastry, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is called a kun aman.
Kunaman. Look at how
And
beautiful that is.
It's kind of like a pie. See, there's all fruit inside, and then the pastry kind of comes up around it.
I think the way the waitress described it, it's like a muffin, but it has the crispness of a croissant,
Yeah.
and it's filled with
Fruit.
this month, and they changed the fruit.
Yes, so it's
this
seasonal.
one is strawberries.
So,
So,
I'm trying first.
when in Henderson.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Oh,
Amazing.
man.
All right, I'm gonna.
That is really good. They have a coffee bar and bakery right at the front. So if you just come in and get some coffee and one of these, you're set. This is really, that's something special. I need more.
We couldn't really recommend this place enough. We highly, highly, highly recommend this place, even though it's ranked like in the top 25 of brunches in America.
In the whole of America.
In America.
So that's kind of something. So
If you're a visitor, come on. Get off
a
the
trek.
strip. It's not that far. If you're a local and you haven't been here, what are you waiting for?
Make the
what are you
effort.
waiting for? Get over here. It's amazing.
if you are visiting and you're at the M or you're at the South Point, you're not too far.
You know what?
Pretty easy
I don't
little
care where
drive.
you're staying in Vegas. Get a car, rent a car.
If you're driving around, come on out. Try some local things.
Yeah, and this, you know, this is not like some little hidden gem. This is a top-rated brunch place, and it
It's
lives
worth
up
it.
to the reputation. It's quite good, and the cocktails, not on. Ooh, so good.
Yeah, we couldn't finish, or
No,
it would
no.
be bad.
It would be
But
embarrassing.
they
actually.
taste, and as proof, here's mine.
I don't want to show you mine. It's a little.
A little
I drank
more.
a little more than that. I hope you enjoy this, because we certainly enjoyed having the cocktails again, because International Month, we were doing a different adventure. So we're back to morning cocktails, we're back to overeating and having
And
breakfast
trying
desserts
many, many things.
and
Although
many things.
we definitely overate in International Month also.
We did,
To be
and
fair.
it was wonderful. And I hope you like that. And we can't urge you enough to support local businesses. Get out, enjoy yourself. Until next time.